it's about OSI model, working and functioning of each layer. There are 7 layers. First 3 layers are software layer, and fourth layer is transport layer. It's called heart of OSI. Last 3 layers are hardware layer. First is application layer. The application layer is responsible for providing network services to user and their applications. There are different types of application: web browser application and network application. Web browser application is Google Chrome and Firefox. Network application is Outlook and Skype. The network layer, also called desktop layer. This layer has also served for displaying the received information to user. Function of application layer: mail services and FTM. Second is presentation layer. Presentation layer receive data from application layer. Data in the form of character or number. Transport layer convert number or character in binary pattern. Like this example, this is a character and transport layer convert it into binary pattern. Fourth is transport layer. The transport layer is responsible for delivery of message from one process to another. The transport layer convert data in different units and make segment. It controls segmentation, flow control and error control. Function of transport layer: routing and logical addressing. Fifth is network layer. From transport layer, different segments will be available to communicate between two networks. Logical addressing is done in this network layer. Network layer joins IP address in segment and make packet. Function of network layer: logical addressing and routing. Sixth is data link layer. Data link layer receive packets from network layer and which contain IP address of sender. There are two types of addressing: logical addressing and physical addressing. Logical address is IP address and physical address is MAC address. Logical address is done in network layer and this physical addressing is done in data link layer. It is packet. Data link layer join MAC address and tail and make it frame. Function of data link layer: access the media, control how data is placed and received. 7 is physical layer. We receive frame from data link layer which convert into number of bits which are sequence in binary form. This is a process done by 7 layer. User 1 send message to user 2. These convert in data in first, second and third layer. In fourth layer, data converted in segment. In fifth layer, data converted segment to packet. And sixth layer, converted packet in frame. In seventh layer, frame converted in bits. And this reverse process is continued and user 2 receive high from user 1. Third is session layer. Setting up and managing the connection and labeling the data of setting and receiving. In session layer check authentication and authorization. In authentication check rights of access and authorization check user ID and password. Function of application layer: synchronization